Welcome to Utopia's full feature functionality video series on MDG. Today we're going to be creating an IBAUU material type for use in a bill of material. We're going to show you the end-to-end process using taxonomy to create the short text, to also do duplicate checking, as well as a two-step workflow. The requester can enter all the general data that is required into the change request. You simply open up MDG using the NetWeaver Business Client transaction inside SAP. Here you can see all the transaction codes that are available in shortcuts, and we're going to go to the main entry point, which is the cockpit. Now that we're in material governance, let's go ahead and create the material. We can set the plant to 0001 and continue. Now that we're in the change request, it's mandatory to fill in a description. So let's go ahead and create the IBAUU material type. Set a priority. And when we did that, you'll notice that the business rules ran and shows us that we haven't filled in any of the fields yet in the form. It's giving us all those warnings. So we'll go ahead and we'll set a date and scroll down. We'll start filling in the required fields according to our standard. The base unit of measure is each. Material type is IBAUU. The industry sector, we can even look up real time from SAP. Here's what's configured in the system right now. So let's select the chemical industry. Now the material description has not yet been filled in. We're using automation of the taxonomy to do that for us. We're going to assign bill of material as the class and then look at its characteristic values or its taxonomy. We know in our standards that we follow a rule that says we will always create our bill of material description based on manufacturer, model, and size. And the size is 2 by 2 by 7. When I do a check, several things are going to happen. It's going to standardize the text, look for duplicates, and create the short text for the description for us as seen here. So in the duplicate check, it's telling us there's similar materials in here, but we're creating an R, not an S or an M. So it's not a duplicate, so we can continue. We forgot to add in some information, so let's add in that it has a steel flange. And we'll do another check. You can see it's abbreviated the word steel and flange for us from the abbreviation tables. These words will always be abbreviated in the future. Now that we're completed and there's no more errors, we can now submit this to the next level. When the specialist hit submit, they were initiating the workflow. It went to the specialist for review, and they can either reject it or activate this material into SAP. When the specialist receives an email or checks their inbox in MDG, they'll find this change request waiting for them. You can now see they only have the buttons to activate or reject this material. So they can carefully review the document that they've received and hit activate. A series of validations now takes place between MDG and SAP to ensure that the material can be created inside SAP. You can see that it's been successful. Let's go into SAP and find the new material that was just created. And here it is, freshly created. The 3755R 2 by 2 by 7 steel flange maintenance assembly IBAUU material type has been created successfully. Thank you for watching the video today, and if you need any more information, don't hesitate to contact us at utopiainc.com or at the phone number shown. Remember, perfect data is perfectly possible. Make yourself an amazing day.